Hello everyone, welcome you all to my YouTube channel Academy for Everyone. Today we are going to learn about multiple correlation. Before I move to today's video, if you don't know about correlation, how to categorize correlation, and also if you need to get data analysis tool pack to your data tab, please watch the video which I have mentioned in the description box. Let's move to the multiple correlation. In multiple correlation, we are going to learn about the relationship between several variables. In here, I am taken the example of number of hours studied by a student and number of extra classes that students participate in, and also the online session and the relationship of marks that student getting for the final exam. So first, most importantly, in the simple correlation, I have mentioned this function CORREL with the equal sign. This function is hard to use with the multiple correlation because you need to use this function for about several times to get the answers. So you can easily get your answers with the help of data analysis toolpack. Let's see how to do that. First, you need to go to the data tab, then select the data analysis toolpack, and then you need to select correlation. And in here you need to select the input range. I am selecting like this with labels. Since I have selected the labels, I have to tick this one, and my the data set is grouped by columns, so I need to click this one. And also I need to get my output in the existing worksheet which I am working. So I am selecting the output range, and I need to select a place. I'm selecting this one. And if you want to get your results in a new workbook or worksheet, you can use this. So I am pressing OK. Now you have the results. In here I am reducing the decimal places for 2 decimals. And you can go to the home tab and use this to reduce the decimal places. Now you can easily interpret your results. So in here you can see with the number of extra classes and the study hours of that particular students having negative correlationship, which means it is first, let's see, the 0.92 is in somewhere here in the line. So it means strong negative correlation, which means when the number of extra classes getting increasing, the number of study hours are decreasing very fast. That is mean by the strong negative correlationship. And with the number of online session and the number of hours studies having 0.55 positive correlation, which means the 0.55 is somewhere here, strong positive correlation, which means the number of hours studies are increasing, number of online session also getting increasing so much fast. When it comes to the marks and a number of study hours relationship, it is 0.94, which means positive correlationship, and also 0.94 is in here. So it is very strong positive correlationship. We can say due to that reason, when number of study hours increasing, your marks of the student will get it increasing very fast. When it comes to the relationship between number of online sessions and the number of extra classes is negative correlationship, which is 0.61 minus negative relationship. So 0.61 is here, somewhere here, somewhat is strong relationship. So we can say that when the number of online sessions that particular students are participating is increasing, the number of extra classes uh, number of extra classes that particular student participating will getting decreased. So when it comes to the marks and extra classes relationship, also negative correlationship, which is minus 0.96. Minus 0.96 also here, very strong negative correlationship. So due to that reason, we can say when students number of extra classes getting increasing, her marks are getting very low. So with the number of online sessions and the marks having a positive correlationship, which is 0.69, which is somewhat here, which is somewhat strong positive correlationship, that will explain us that when the number of online sessions that particular student participating getting increase, his marks are getting high. So in here you can see the strongest negative correlationship is having here, no, here, with the X number of extra classes and the marks of that students having the strongest negative correlation shape according to those variables. So I'm getting color this. And the strongest positive correlationship having the number of study hours and with the marks of that students getting for that subject. I'll color with a different color. So this is all about multiple correlation. It is easy to interpret, but you need to be careful with the sign of that correlation that you are getting, and also the number. Where is this number? According to the number, you need to give the name: strong, negative, weak, negative, or like that. So I hope you have learned something from this video. Hope to see you soon. Please subscribe my channel as well. Goodbye everyone.